Manage form submissions and tasks in one place without switching between tools. With Jotform Boards, you can review and update submission details directly from your tasks. I'm Penny with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit form submissions directly from tasks in Jotform Boards. Let's get started. First, go to your workspace and click the Create button in the top left. Select Board. Choose Use Template. Search for and select the Support Ticket Management Board template. Click Use Template to create your board. Once your board loads, this is your main dashboard where all your tasks and workflows are organized in one place. Tasks are structured into columns like Backlog, In Progress, Review, and Done, so you can instantly understand the status of each ticket. You can add tasks, move them across columns, assign them, and update details as work progresses. At the top, you'll find search and filter options to quickly locate tasks as your board grows. On the right-hand side, you'll see Connected Assets, where forms and resources linked to your board are stored. This allows you to manage both submissions and tasks in one place. For example, here we have an IT service ticket form. Let's click on it to open the form in a new tab. Fill out the form with sample details and submit it. Once submitted, the ticket automatically appears in the Backlog column on your board. This creates a task instantly based on the form submission. Now, click on the New Ticket to open it. This is the task detail view where you can manage everything related to that specific submission. At the top, you can navigate between tasks and access options like Add Cover, Add Checklist, and Task Fields. The main section shows key details like the task title, assignee, priority, due date, and tags. You can assign the task, adjust priority, and organize it using tags. You can also add attachments, descriptions, and formatted instructions to provide context. At the bottom, the comments section allows your team to collaborate and track updates in one place. To edit the original submission, go to the Form section inside the task. Click the three dots next to the form title. Here, you'll see options like View Form, Edit Submission, and Hide Empty Fields. Select Edit Submission. This gives you one-click access to edit submissions directly from your task view. Now, you can quickly fix typos, update missing information, or correct details in just a few clicks. Make your changes and submit the form. When you edit a submission, both the task and the connected form record are updated automatically, keeping your project data fully aligned. This keeps your data consistent across your workflow and helps prevent errors. It also saves time by letting you make corrections without switching between tools or leaving the board. Now, you can continue managing the task with accurate and up-to-date information. And that's how you can edit form submissions directly from tasks in Jotform Boards. Keep your data accurate, save time, and manage everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.